no, not another Chinese drink. Knows your dad so well in Starbucks. She gives him a smiley face on the cup. Another nice day in Shanghai. The buildings in the back.
The sun is out.
The sun is out.
KFC will be opening in 10 minutes.
Is it breakfast at KFC?
It might be.
I think we need to go to this, what is it, a temple?
I don't know. I don't know what it is. Looks like quite a walk over there, though.
It's not, it's across that little bridge. There's a little bridge. No, it's a little bridge.
Yeah. Perhaps we'll do it after dark.
Oh, that'd be nice. This hotel room's lovely.
16-minute walk to the metro on the right. We thought we were in the middle of nowhere. And then we found there's a shopping mall and a load of restaurants on the left.
And KFC.
And the wonderful Colonel Sanders.
And how many times have we visited him? You're looking beautiful. Right, ready to rock and roll. Another day in paradise. Pretty in pink. Like that, Phil. Don't get electric shock. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yeah, my sunglasses are broken.
Oh.
This is my last outfit of the holiday. I'm
You're
wearing my tailored shorts, I'm wearing my trainers, unbranded, and I'm wearing my pink t-shirt.
Beautiful.
How about you?
I'm wearing a dress.
You're wearing a dress. Silent killers. To the right. Bus pulling in now. Friends.
This is my friend. This is Soup Drinking Mountain Girl. This is one of the unique hand holders you will find on the Shanghai Metro. Hello, Soup Drinking Mountain Girl.
On the other side, she hasn't got any mountains.
Yeah, this is Soup Drinking Mountains Gone Girl.
Soup drinking mountains gone girl. And soup
drinking
drinking
Mountain Girl.
mountain girl. How long?
We're at Hulan heading for Dong.
Ulan heading for Dong.
Are we at Dong yet? Dong!
Soup
To get off at Dong! To get off at Dong! To get off at Dong!
No, it's not Dong.
I hope it's Dong.
No, it's not Dong.
It was premature.
We haven't got Dong.
I think we missed though.
Fine.
We haven't gone past Dong, have we?
I think we are on Dong.
I think we missed though.
No, I
Next
think
station, Dong. No, the next station is Dong.
you're blocking my Dong.
So it's... I'm not blocking your Dong.
Dong.
We're now at Dong.
Sitting.
Look. This is what happened to us.
No, it's what happened to you.
He's pushing the caves under. He's stuck. Yay! We're going down to Dong. Dong. Dong.
Quick! The plant's gonna get us! No! No! Oh.
Now we're stuck.
No, we've broken it.
Come out.
Back in. And then the plant's coming again! The plant's coming again! Quick! Don't get squashed by the plant! The plant!
The plant.
I thought that was brilliant.
He took us in and showed us the buffet.
I said, is it a buffet? He said yes. I said, can we have a look? And he took us in there.
We have chicken tacos, we have chips, we have nuggets, we have popcorn chicken, and we had chicken. And we had KFC for lunch. 2 Chinese meals in one day. Don't you ever say you fancy a KFC.
I don't.
Going on. He's going in for the kill.
He's jealous. KFC on Jinxiu Road, Shanghai, our second home. We've had so many Chinese meals here. When we walk through the door, they say, "Hello."
We've even tried this. The
It was
taco.
really spicy.
The taco.
like
That was the latest today.
Like a giant chicken nugget folded in on itself.
With spices
I'd rather
galore.
have the shop next door with the cake
But
and
that
the coffee.
shuts as well. So we have our only option. Oh, silent killer's coming. Quick, get the silent killer. Oh, too late. She missed the silent killer.
Where?
Our second
Right.
home
Oh, yeah,
is
here comes the
behind
silent killer.
the red wheel.
Oh no, it's coming here, down.
The silent killer is going behind the red wheel. These silent killers are motorbikes with no engines. They're electric.
And they appear.
You don't hear them coming.
And drive at you.
They appear. There's another one going
Oh,
by.
silent killer.
You never know if they're behind you, in front of you. They just appear. Silent killer.
No noise.
Come away. You've had 2 meals at KFC today. No more KFC. Silent killer over the road. Silent killer approaching from the left.
Dad,
Silent killer
isn't that
from the right.
12 till 5? How did we have Papa John's when it's
Silent
12 till
killer
5?
from the right. The plant is going to get you. The plant is going to get you. The plant is going to get you. Oh.
What airline?
Indian. Sri Lankan Airlines.
Holiday Inn Jinxiu backpacks.
Oh.
Or you can get a holiday in Bluetooth speaker.
I like this little mouse.
You
It's
always
on the
sing that
TV.
really annoys us.
Oh. Go. Quick, he's on a mission. He's on a mission. Yeah. Faster, 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 faster. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where has he gone? Where has he gone? He's in 1, 16, 15.
Hurry up.
And our little room with the view. Oh, well, that's really nice of a night out there. There's the little Holiday Inn character running behind the bush so the alien don't get in. In the bathroom. Dun dun dun.